When the eagle belongs to the rooster. Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, your boy Samson Biggz, and we're checking out this eagle video on 4th of July. You know, the American eagle is a powerful animal. We got some fishes here, and we got, I don't know if that's an eagle. Does that look like an eagle to you? It looks like a hawk or something, but let's see what it does. Oh, it catches the fish. Well, that's exciting. Do you imagine being able to fly? Look at this big eagle right here, pulling a fish out of the water. You know what I'm saying? I wish I had the ability to fly. If I was a superhero, that's the ability I would want. Flight. Go anywhere, do anything. Nobody can catch you. Man, look at these creatures. They are fantastic. Now this is epic. I mean, this eagle is trying to eat a goat. What the hell is going on? The goat is like 2 times its size. Oh, but here we go. That's a rooster right there. He's fighting the eagle. When I was a kid, I used to fight roosters. And in Arizona, we have a lot of chicken fighting. I don't think that's an eagle. That's a hawk. These are little falcons and hawks. I think whoever made this video is a little clickbaity. Roosters fighting hawks, or actually eagles fighting hawks. Epic, just epic. Being able to fly around. We got these cute little chickens. These are hens. These aren't roosters. These are little chickens. Well, what is that? See, what they did was they blended all these videos together. Eagles and chickens. And there's only a few videos where the eagle's actually hunting the chickens. So this is definitely some clickbaity stuff. When you look at the video, you think you're going to see more. Well, that video is a chicken scaring off an eagle. Here we go. Ooh. There you go. This one's fighting. You know, you gotta fight. You gotta fight in the jungle, or wherever they are. I don't know if they're in the jungle. This might be the jungle. That's a harpy eagle. I know about that one. I read about that when I was a kid. You gotta fight for your life in the real world. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy, but you know that's pretty much how it is too with us. Epic stuff right here. If you like nature, it's part of life.